Hey guys, today I'm going to put my spotlights on my Ford Ranger. I've had them for ages, I just never bothered to put them on. So here we go. I'll start by cleaning it up for my bench. I was doing some epoxy welds. Semi-cleaned it, but it'll do. I'm going to make a mess anyway. So ages ago I bought the King's 9-inch Dominator driving light. I also bought the little ones, but I'm not putting them on today because I've only got one harness. One of the boys from work gave me this. So if you're watching this, Faz, you're a good bloke. Oosh. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. I'm gonna suss out how to put this all together and then show you more. Just figure out where everything's gonna go. I always break these things. I don't actually know the proper way to take them off. I just lost it. Now I can see and get in there a lot better. It's just the way easy to work on. Might take the grill off yet, I'm not sure. It's a bit messy, eh? Might have to clean this later. And if you weren't sure, this is a Ford Ranger. The 3.2 litre turbo diesel. Yeah, it's my daily. I needed a reliable car for work. So the way I think this goes is, this one is for the actual lights. Switch goes in the car. I just had to go back to Super Cheap. I ended up going to Auto Pro because they had the connector I needed. So everything's fucking, so the car's hot, so it's gonna be a pain in the ass to work on. I believe it goes like that. So the two piggyback adapters that come with the King's lights, King's wiring harness, do not fit my Ranger, so I had to order some new ones, and I'm waiting for them to come in. But in the meantime, I've wired up the whole car off camera because my girlfriend came over. But I'll add it into another video when I install the new one of these. So I got the spotties through there, through the grommet and the firewall. Because I didn't have the adapter, I had to just run it through, and I've got it all cable tied here. And I got to bolt that to there. Here's the end result. That looks sick. So I'll do an update on the Ranger once I get the adapter I need. And then I'll get some 31 videos soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.